Hi everybody, this is Dr. Vinay Baukar. Today we are going to learn about error of refraction, a very common eye problem. Come on, let's start. Error of refraction. Error of refraction is a very common eye disorder. It occurs when the eye cannot clearly focus the images from the outside world. The result of error of refraction is blurred vision, which is sometimes so severe that it causes visual impairment. The three most common error of refractions are myopia, that is nearsightedness, difficulty in seeing distant objects clearly; hypermetropia, that is farsightedness, difficulty in seeing close objects clearly; astigmatism, that is distorted vision resulting from an irregularly curved cornea. A fourth condition is presbyopia, which leads to difficulty in reading or seeing at arm's length. It differs from the other disorders in that it is linked to aging and occurs almost universally. Now let's understand these error of refractions one by one. Before that, let us see what is normal vision. Light enters the eye through the cornea, the clear dome-shaped surface that covers the front of the eye. From the cornea, the light passes through the pupil. From there, the light then hits the lens. Next, it passes through the vitreous humor, the clear jelly-like substance that fills the center of the eye. Finally, it reaches the retina, the light-sensitive nerve layer that lines the back of the eye, where the image appears inverted. The optic nerve is then responsible for interpreting the impulses it receives into images. Myopia, commonly known as nearsightedness. Myopia is a condition in which an image of a distant object becomes focused in front of the retina, either because the eyeball axis is too long or because the refractive power of the eye is too strong. This condition makes distant objects appear out of focus and may cause headaches and/or eye strain. Eyeglasses or contact lenses may help to correct or improve myopia by adjusting the focusing power to the retina. Corrective surgery may also help by changing the shape of the cornea to a more spherical, round shape instead of an oblong shape. Hypermetropia, commonly known as farsightedness. Hypermetropia is the most common refractive error in which an image of a distant object becomes focused behind a retina, either because the eyeball axis is too short or because the refractive power of the eye is too weak. This condition makes close objects appear out of focus and may cause headaches and/or eye strain. Eyeglasses or contact lenses may help to correct or improve hyperopia by adjusting the focusing power to the retina. Corrective surgery may also help by changing the shape of the cornea to a more spherical, round shape instead of an oval shape. Presbyopia. Another type of farsightedness. Presbyopia is caused when the center of the eye lens hardens, making it unable to accommodate near vision. This condition generally affects almost everyone over the age of 50, even those with myopia. Eyeglasses or contact lenses may be prescribed to correct or improve the condition. Astigmatism. Astigmatism is a condition in which an abnormal curvature of the cornea can cause two focal points to fall into different locations, making objects up close and at a distance appear blurry. Astigmatisms may cause eye strain and may be combined with nearsightedness or farsightedness. Eyeglasses, contact lenses, or corrective surgery may help to correct or improve the condition.